one signal on EURCHF that has made me over $1,800 as of right now. So let's just go ahead and talk about it. Hey everyone, this is Christian here on YouTube and welcome to a brand new video for the channel. In this video, we're gonna talk about one single trade that's making me a couple of thousands of dollars in profit, and I wanna explain you exactly how I took it. So with that being said, let's jump into the video. All right, so this is the actual trade that I was able to take. It's literally right here, and you can see it was a sell position. I entered like around I don't know, in this area. I have a 1 hour candlesticks. The stop loss was around this area as well, and it was actually bouncing somewhere in the area, and then eventually had this huge drop. The trade itself, I actually closed partially. Where is it? There you go, $428 I already booked in profit. My stop loss right now has, I actually moved it obviously to be safe at $280 in profit. I could easily close it right now, but I'm not going to, because I'm actually targeting to make slightly more money than that. But $2,000 is always good to be made in profit. I'm not sure if it's gonna go all the way to that level, but once it actually goes closer than this, probably I'm going to just go ahead and close the trade. But this is the actual trade that I took in my funded account right here on EA Funding. This is the actual trade, or the setup on TradingView. Now, before I actually go ahead and show you how I took this signal, what is it? Partial closing, for those of you who are not familiar with it. It basically, on MT4 or any broker, you can actually close on partial profits, which means, for instance, I enter 3 lots right here. I actually, like originally, I enter 4 lots. So if you double click on it, it's gonna give you this menu so that you can actually choose. For instance, I want to close 1 more lot. I put the 1 lot right here and close the sell, and it's actually gonna book the profits for that lot only. Is going to leave 2 more lots running. That's something that you should know already, because or maybe like start applying it right now, because that's a way that you can avoid some losses. Some people actually leave the entire trade running for the entire time, and if it goes back to your break even, you didn't make any money, but you could have made some money from some lots. Hopefully that makes sense. So that's something that you should do right now. The first lot that I closed, the first partial close, was at 259 risk reward ratio, and the trade is at 5.33. Right now it's literally at 3.51, so I could even close another couple of lots right now to show you. 1 lot, I'm just gonna close 1 lot. So I double click on it, I select 1 lot and sell 1 lot, and boom. Right now my profit is less, but guess what? I actually have $539 close right here and $428 right here. So I got $1,000 in profit. No matter what happens right now, I got $1,000 in profit. And if it goes all the way to my take profit, I'm still gonna make $1,681 more. So that's what we're expecting. Now, how is it that I actually took this trade? For those of you who are not familiar, I follow this trade using the BLW signals group, which is where my team actually goes ahead and sends the signals. The signal is literally right here. It's a Prasad signal. So he actually sent it on this right here. He's actually given some updates. This is the signal itself. Then he says update the stop loss to 350. If you did it, the trade is still open. If you didn't, then probably it hit the previous stop loss. Then 30 pips down book plus 50 pips running. This is where he sent this signal. So the way I did it is just I copied all this data and put it right here, and that's it. I mean, he said where I should trade, I traded, and I made money. As simple as that. Okay, so this is how I actually follow this specific signal. It was actually pretty darn cool. Now, every single trader has its own ways to actually send signals. For instance, myself, I do see a clear sell position here. I'm not sure exactly how he actually did it for determine when it was going to be a good entry point. I would say it would be right here. So probably that's what he did. This would have been a good resistance point that was broken. Then the support line was broken again, and this became a respected resistance level, and then boom, it was actually taken down. Probably that was what he saw. I'm not 100% sure. They don't usually share like the entire analysis. They just send you the signals, but this is the result that I have so far right now. We have some other signals right now that the traders have actually sent him. Some of them are not activated, some of them yeah, but I do have some pending orders right now. If we actually take a look at it, I have a pending. This is already active. It's supposed to be a call or a buy position. This is another sell position, but take a look at the signal. 395 is what I'm risking, but I'm actually looking forward to make $5,000 on that one. This one was already canceled. This is a buy position, 429 in risk, in profits $4,000. This was another one. This is a 447 in risk, $2,000 in profits. And this is the last one, $308 in risk and almost $3,000 over there in profit. So these are the pending signals that we see right here. I have pretty much all of them applied into my broker. Now, why is it that I have pending orders? Obviously, because these trades haven't been activated, but how can you do the exact same thing? You can see how easy it is to follow the signals of the signal providers right there in the BLW signals room. If you're trading Forex or you're interested in trading Forex, you have no idea how stressing it is to be looking at the charts the entire day, doing all the analysis, like trying to understand everything. And when you finally decide to place a trade, boom, it goes and hits the stop loss. It's frustrating. It's really stressing. Let me know if you have experienced that in the comment section, and I'm sure you agree with me. But it gets completely different and extremely easier when you just have to follow signals and you just follow what people are saying that you're supposed to do. You do it. If you lose it, that's fine. At least you didn't spend the whole time with the analysis. But guess what? When you win it, you win 4 times what you lost. So you risk $200 in one trade, but you make $800 in the other one. You make it up. Does that make sense? So I do believe that following signals can make a lot of the work easier for you if you obviously know how to do it. But I also do recommend you to take my free trading academy so that you can have as much potential as possible with the signals group. So go to blwtradingacademy.com and follow my signals in there, and you're gonna be good to go. Hey, so hopefully you enjoyed the content of this video, and if you did, smash the like button, support this YouTube channel. But more importantly, if you have any questions or comments to share, you can always use the comment section below, and my team will be happy to reply to you. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.